Hi everyone, this is my week 5 discussion board screencast assignment. Here's my first slide, my insight. Digital literacies are an integral part in any instructional content/medium. Print is slowly being phased out, while digital content is increasingly becoming the more popular format for dispersing information. Being able to break down, understand, and digest information from the various digital mediums is a skill all students need to have. Noble Lancashire state, as practices, literacies, all literacies, new or conventional, involve bringing technology, knowledge, and skills together within context of social purpose. That seems pretty advanced for students to learn, but will be crucial for future decisions. In the classroom, I try to show videos at least once a week, and I also provide use of an iPad as often as I can to allow for digital labs when physical labs are unavailable. The students are definitely absorbed into the content when digesting it through a digital medium. Here's my group support. Thomas Torelli supports my insight that it is imperative students learn how to digest information from various digital mediums when he quoted Ueda saying, "Students are subjected to media almost 8 hours per day, and if they do not comprehend the subliminal messages behind what they're interacting with, they may be manipulated by media such as alcohol or tobacco ads." Louise supports my insight that the old format of print is being phased out and replaced by the new digital age when he states, "As educators, our responsibility is to not force old learning methods that we were taught as young scholars ourselves, but to empower our students to take ownership of their education and use the best method that works for them." Jacqueline supports my classroom experience when she quotes, "Students become engaged when they critically analyze underlying messages in these media." Finally, Shadia supports the idea that it is crucial for students to learn how to use technology to learn knowledge and skills when she quotes Ueda stating, "If students are equipped with the skill of deconstructing media, it'd be like a superpower, the power to decode messages through inference, a skill that's applicable to ads, sitcoms, and newspaper articles." Finally, 2-3 takeaways. Number 1, using iPads to disseminate information. Students these days are spending more and more time on iPads with touchscreens and less time on computers with physical mice. Using an iPad in instruction provides them with a medium they're familiar with. 2, adding in videos during your lessons will help keep the students engaged. Videos are quick, easy digestible, and able to be viewed multiple times. Again, it provides the student with a medium they are more familiar with. 3, having the students compete in game theory also allows them to engage in the content through another medium they're familiar with. Students actively engage in video games, and teaching content through one will certainly capture their attention. That is all for my week 5 discussion screencast. Thank you for sticking with me, and I look forward to week 6. Thanks.